In front of me is POCO X5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off automatic screen rotation on this POCO smartphone. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now look for Lock Orientation shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is see-through. That means that auto rotation is enabled. If you wish to disable it, click on the same icon again. You can also go into Settings, scroll down just a bit and tap on Display. Then scroll down again and click on this switcher next to Auto Rotate Screen to switch it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!